It's time for your next adventure.
I have no idea what I'm gonna do tomorrow.
How exciting.
No matter what anybody tells you, words and ideas can change the world. And the human race is filled with passion. Medicine, law, business, engineering, these are noble pursuits necessary to sustain life.
I'm here to admit that you were my medicine. Oh, I couldn't quit, and I'm down on my knees again, asking for nothing. Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Ooh.
I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
Every time I say goodbye, baby. Bakit happy-happy ka?
When you activated the code. So how will you know this is arrested?
Kaya yung ano, eh,
It's a new season of feeling.
Believe that the future is brighter. I believe
Nagawa ka na. Oh.
you know I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide. You know you want me.
Hi, Michelle. We're gonna miss you. Best wishes for your next journey.
thank you very much for sharing your knowledge and support us.
Thank you. God bless you, dear. Bye.
Hi, Ate Michelle. We will miss you po.
Hi, Ate Michelle. I really miss you for your mock drill.
Hi, Ate Michelle. We will really miss your canlations and your song also.
All the best for your right future.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Ate Michelle. All the best. Best wishes for your future. Thank you so much for your support and for helping us out. We will miss you so much, and we wish you all the best in everything that you're going to do forward. And we will miss your songs also. Take care. We love you, Ate Michelle. I wish you good luck in your next endeavor. May Almighty Allah be with you. Love you.
Hi, Sexy Beach. Good luck. God bless to your new journey.
May miss ka namin. Bye!
Bye!
Hi, Alish! Hi, Mike! So, bon voyage. Ate, thank you for the memories na magkakasama tayo. Nawa ay magkaroon na kayo ng baby ni Kuya. Pag alis mo dito, galingan mong bumili. So, supportahan ka namin. Pero huwag mong i-live ha. Balitaan mo na lang kami. God bless you at nawa ay mas maging masaya ka sa journey na pupuntahan mo doon. Bye-bye. We love you.
Mitch, all the best. Talagang swerte ng mapupuntahan mo kasi sobrang galing mong nurse. Talagang nakakabilib ka. Grabe. Nakakalungkot man pero I'm so happy as well para sa iyo and then sa hubby mo. I wish you success and then sa road to pagiging educator mo doon. Message mo na lang kami pag maging educator ka na para maganda na kami yun sa'yo. All the best. God bless you.
PPS, sana mabawasan na yung code at yung RRT namin dito. Dalhin mo na lang, ha?
Dalhin mo po yung katoksikan ng sigara.
Ibubulong namin pa. Love you. All the best.
Call Michelle Balvin.
Finding Michelle Balvin. I'm sorry, Michelle Balvin.
Oh my God, hindi pala abot yung busera doon.
Hi, Duday!
Hi, Duday!
Hi, ate. Surely you will be missed at may-miss namin ang pagkanta mo every gathering at saka yung pag-mock code mo ng night shift kahit busy ka. Ayun, we wish you well kayo ni Kuya Royce at sana magka-baby na kayo, Australian passport.
Yes! Yes, Duday! Gusto ko magpasalamat sa'yo sa support mo at bilang isang efficient na nakatrabaho. Isa ka sa magigiting na nurse na nakilala ko at nakatrabaho. Yes, congratulations sa journey niyo, Royce. Yes, sumakses na talaga kayo. Congratulations! Yes, from camel to kangaroo. So, yes, all the best!
Congrats, Ate Duday. Congrats, Ate Michelle. Good luck sa future endeavors mo. That's all that.
Hi, Shell! It's time to say goodbye, but we'll cherish our moment together. Wishing you all the success.
Thank you for the laughter and support. We are just an email away. Bye-bye!
Like I always said, Duday, it's not goodbye. It's see you around. Stay amazing and good luck to your new career.
Thank you for being part of 5 days. Keep in touch. Good luck.
Hello, I feel shocked na silit yung nalaman na mag-resign ka na nila. Hindi ko na-check doon sa schedule na wala na pala pangalan mo. Parang nakakasakit ng loob ba na, we are working for how many years na nakita namin kung paano it's a big loss to 5A, one of the hardworking nurse na you can just work without sometimes not even asking with PCP as long as she can do like that. So you're such a, I don't know, and no words can explain. We feel sad, but we are happy. Because this is not the end. Till we meet again. See you in another place. Good luck! Bye-bye!
Michi! Iwan mo na ako. Umalis na si Irene. Tapos, ikaw naman. Tapos, ako, dito pa din. Wala, ganun talaga. Pero, masaya ako na ikay tutungo sa or tatahakin mo ang panibagong buhay for a greener pasture. Thank you for being so nice and kind. Alam mo naman, tayo-tayo lang naman yung pare-pareho. Alam mo na, nag-iisip. Pero, good luck and hopefully makabuo na kayo na inyong munting supling doon. Tapos, ayun, best of luck lang. Hopefully na makapagkita-kita tayo ulit soon. And, ayun, enjoy there. Bye-bye!
Oy, Mitch! Sobrang lungkot ko ngayon. Ang lungkot ko kasi mawawala na yung tawag nito, banda natin. Ang ating soloist na ako ngayon, so I feel so sad, lonely. Pero alam mo, happy ako kasi syempre, alis ka na, for better naman yun. And good luck sa new endeavor mo, tsaka sa galingan mo dun ganap ka ng kabanda mo dun. And good luck rin sa inyo ni Royce. God bless you. I will miss you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Shell. Thank you for the sweet memories that we shared together. And I wish you all the luck for your work. We will miss you and good luck. God bless.
Hi, Ate Michelle. Well, I heard that you're leaving 5A, and I know everyone is going to miss you. And I am just so happy and excited for your next chapter. And yes, to be honest, I've learned so much from you, and you've been an incredible friend and a colleague, and I'm so glad that we had a chance to work together. And well, I wish you all the best. Best of luck in your new adventure with your hubby, Kuya Roy. And well, see you when I see you. Bye-bye. Mwah, I miss you.
Hello, Timisho. Have a safe flight to Australia. Bon voyage at good luck sa career mo doon. I miss you all. I miss you 5A. Bye-bye.
Hi, Michelle! So, this is it. Your time has come. Mababawasan na naman yung mga kabarangay natin dyan sa Sidra. Anyway, I'm so happy for you. I know 5A will be sad. They'll be missing a good friend. All your hyperactivity, your toxicity that made a great impact in 5A. I wish you well. I wish you all the best sa new journey mo. Spread your wings and begin to fly. Hopefully, magkita ulit tayo soon. Enjoy. Say my regards to everybody. I missed you all. I missed you 5A. I missed you so much. Ingat kayo dyan. Kita-kits soon. Bye!
Hello to my 5A family and to our beloved Michelle. I want to send my farewell greetings. I wish you all the best in your exciting and new adventure. Surely you will be missed and remembered. Especially the party won't be the same without your amazing voice. Kaya dahil magpa-audition ka na, nababawasan na naman. And 5A will be little quieter kasi pababawasan na din yung kanilang listeners during the shift. I remember, even though how busy you were, you're able to manage to do Mac code. I think you are pro at time management. Best of luck, and I know you will shine wherever you go, especially here in Australia. Looking forward seeing you soon.
Bye-bye, Kitty.
Goodbyes are bittersweet, but it's not the end. I'll see your face again. You will find me.
Please, lady, first you say me and then her.
Oh, okay. Okay, just you start with high attention. We will miss you. Then you will all the best for your life.
Code.
Hi, Ate.
Hi, Ate.
Call Michelle Balvin.
Finding Michelle Balvin. I'm sorry, Michelle Balvin.
Oh my God, hindi pala abot yung busera doon.
Speak at the tone and press the call button. Message canceled.
Ngayon na.
lang ng personal.
Ngayon na.
Kasi memories of a lifetime.
Ngayon na kita bibidyohan.
Ang dali lang, wala naman ako sa ko.
wisyo ko. Saglit.
Tony Talks. O, sit down ka na.